It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, November 4th. I'm James Spann. Hey, actually have some rain on radar early this morning with a cold front passing through. And evidence just may be increasing toward a chance of rain at the end of next week. Things beginning to change a little bit here. So let's dive in there and talk about it. There's the water vapor satellite view. Troughing forming over the eastern states, pushing a surface boundary through here this morning. And look at that. That was the radar at 5:08. Had a few showers from near Tuscaloosa to Clanton. Raining in parts of Tuscaloosa, Bibb, and Chilton counties. And understand, this is meaningless when it comes to this drought, but some spots did see some rain. Now, this is the digital storm total data coming off NexRad, and you can see it looks like the showers missed Birmingham Shuttlesworth International Airport, where the records are kept. So the string continues. This will be day 47. 47 consecutive days without measurable rain in Birmingham. And a pretty good chance, a very good chance, we beat the old record of 52 days set way back in 1924. Look at the numbers around the region. We're in the 60s in Alabama, but you can see the 50s to the north, and we will be cooler in coming days. The 80s are off the board for a while, maybe for a long time. And around the nation, I'd say numbers are seasonal with 30s and 40s in the northern states. We note the Birmingham counties, the counties served by the Birmingham Weather Service, are under a red flag warning today. Following the front, the winds pick up a little bit, the humidity very low, and of course, every day we have a wildfire danger in this kind of drought, but it's a little higher than it's been today. But there's a no burn ban in effect, so nobody should be burning anyway. And obviously, severe weather not a problem around here anytime soon. We've got a marginal risk for parts of West Texas, around El Paso, back into New Mexico and Arizona. But hey, how about this? A little green showing up. In fact, you can see maybe parts of South Alabama going close to 2 inches. This is rain for the next 7 days. This is through the end of next week. So this opportunity comes over the latter half of next week, as you'll see. Tropics. You can see a disturbance in the middle of the Atlantic. That's going to really not develop into a true tropical system that's moving northeast away from land. Nothing close to the United States. All right, so let's dive in here and see what we got. This is the GFS, the 06C run, 1 o'clock today, troughing on the East Coast. Down below that, a nice day. Any lingering clouds this morning will be gone soon. The high will be in the mid-70s today, about 10 degrees cooler than recent days. Weekend will be just really nice. Lows in the 40s and highs in the 70s with a sunny sky. Great for football, anything else. This is tomorrow and Sunday. And obviously it's dry. Monday of next week, that surface high is around Chesapeake Bay. And again, we're dry, 40s during the morning, 70s during the day. Tuesday, look at the moisture surging up through Mississippi, suggesting maybe some rain for Mobile and places in southwest Alabama. Wednesday, we're still dry. And then Thursday, look at that. The GFS is suggesting we'll need to mention a good chance of rain statewide. And this is no big drought buster, but there's a trough west of the state. In fact, here's Friday, a week from today. You can see the shortwave west of the state. And it still looks relatively wet, with maybe the heaviest rain moving over into Georgia and South Carolina. And the European Friday of next week is also beginning to look wet. You know, for a long time, the European was just dry as could be. The GFS started the idea of rain, and now the European is coming around to show some good agreement here. So we're seeing now that sign from both global models. So yes, indeed, we will mention a chance of rain next week, Thursday and Friday. And again, this won't be some big rain event, but goodness, it'd be nice to get some water in the ground. We'll check the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, November 13th. Little upper low just northeast of here, and maybe still some lingering light rain. But how about this? This is the rain totals coming off the GFS for the next 10 days, valid between now and November 13th. And it's got most everybody over 1 inch around here, Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, Gadsden. And then you got amounts over 2 inches down to the south, around Montgomery and Point South. So that's encouraging to see. And again, mid-November is that pattern flip time, and that's that should be the first of a number of rain events from mid-November on, and you can see the European ensemble. This is the new guidance, still showing over 5 inches of rain. between mid-November, mid-December. And all the members, I think there's 51 members in this thing, you can see a lot of red as you get into December. So the pattern will certainly favor wetter weather in weeks ahead. And the 80s are gone. And you can see the progression on down with 60s and 40s out there by mid-month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.